Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Life. Welcome back to the Unrestricted series where I work on anything but BMWs. So we've got a bunch of videos that we've already filmed in this Unrestricted series. There's a playlist, will be linked right here. Check it out if you want to see some non-BMW content. But today we're working on this S2K that's finally back for its heart transplant. If you want to see what all we've done on this S2K to get to where we're at right now, those videos will also be linked somewhere over here or in the description. Make sure you check all of those out so you're up to date to see exactly where we're at today. We've already got the donor heart. We've got all of that stuff ready to go, but before we can get to that, we need to strip this car, get the engine out, make sure we get the new engine prepped to go back in. So I'm gonna be filming all of this stuff. You guys can follow along on how I prep the new engine and how we remove this one. Had to get my hoodie on, it is super cold. But we're gonna start out from the top. We're just gonna remove all the stuff from the top. Then we're gonna drop the engine and transmission as one piece from the bottom. So this should be pretty straightforward. Let's get right to it. Let's take this airbox off first to get some space in here. As you can see, we already have some stuff removed. Connectors are disconnected as well. This was when we had the car here earlier when we diagnosed it. So let's get all this stuff off. We're actually gonna be putting in like an aftermarket intake as well, because the person that we got the engine from, they gave us an aftermarket intake. Oh my God. Japanese can't get nothing right. JDM can't get nothing right. That is not true. But when you're taking off these plastic clips where there should be screws, it does become true. All right, this can come off. And I can't stop myself from looking and noticing you, noticing me. God damn, how many screws I gotta put on this shit? This is how the exhaust comes out as one piece. And I can't stop myself from looking and noticing you, noticing me. Damn, you heard that crack? We need that Milwaukee sponsorship so we get some more powerful tools. Rigid? It has been rigid though. They haven't broken, we've had them for like 2 years. But that Milwaukee got some power. Japanese back at it again. They don't have removable, they have like the little rubber mounts for the exhaust, where Germans, they put bolts, so you can just take the bolt off instead of having to worry about trying to squeeze that rubber mount off the exhaust. I know they make pliers for it, but bolts, come on, use some bolts. Hate that. I mean, I guess I could remove it from this, but imagine taking this off and one of these breaks. And I can't stop myself from looking.
Next song.
I don't know why that's even stuck in my head.
I put my shades on. Gunpowder in my hourglass. Think of this, some flour in a powder bag. Hurting. I'm on a natural. I stay hate-free from mistakes, but that's why they mistaken me. Weight on my shoulders. To me, it's like feathers. All hell wheezy. Call it bad weather. I stick to the script. I'm on too long. Dang. It's like literally chunks of clutch. That's ridiculous. And the funny thing is, this clutch was just recently replaced. So chances are this could be all of the old clutch if they didn't clean it. But hopefully that's what it is. We're gonna pull this clutch off anyways because we're gonna transfer it to the new engine.
If we need to, we'll replace it. I think he still has warranty on it, so we'll just cross that bridge when we get there. They didn't replace the throwout bearing. This throwout bearing is toast. I wonder if they replaced it when they did the clutch. That should not sound like that at all. You can never find your 10mm socket when you need it. I'm looking for my 12-point 10mm socket. Looking at all my toolboxes, everything, can't find it. So I take it off with a wrench. But it got the job done, that's all that matters. Bruh. Holy. I can't say shit. I mean, damn, this clutch is toast. It's missing material everywhere. And this was just recently replaced. That's ridiculous. I wonder if I could see if there's a brand on it. Maybe the shop that he took it to, they didn't actually replace it. Flywheel has a lot of hot spots on it as well. Pressure plate is toast. I mean, I guess these could possibly be resurfaced if it's within tolerance, but I mean, he's probably better off just replacing all of this, honestly. Let me call him, tell him what we found, and then we'll go from there.